Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about envisioning your perfect life, right? We all go through life, having a vision of what we want to attain. We all have an idea of how our perfect life looks like. We all have all these visions, dreams and goals, and you might be someone that's aspiring to start a family, nice salary, or you might be someone that's attaining to have it all, like a nice job, now your own business, family, kids, relationships, everything like that, and being able to be financially free. Whatever your vision and whatever your perfect life looks like, we all have that vision. But there's no point in absolutely spending so much of our time focusing on the vision board. Yes, the vision board is great because it's some sort of motivation every single time you see it. You're adding things that you want to have, you're removing things that you've already had, so it's some sort of guideline. But it's important to not focus too much on the vision board. The vision board is great, but if you're spending too much time on the vision board, you're spending less time trying to actually attain those things on your vision board. It's fabulous to have a great, wonderful looking big vision board, but you have to actually at some point get up and work toward getting what's on your vision board. Maybe finally starting your own business so you can have that big house that's in your vision board, because we all know that you can't attain your best possible life. You have to put your wheels in motion. You have to get your vision board off the board and actually into real life. Do whatever it is it takes to be able to maintain, to be able to get what's on your vision board. Let your vision board motivate you. Have that everywhere where you can possibly see it. Let that be the key drive to get what you want. But don't just be unrealistic with it. Don't just have it on there and without putting the wheels in motion, without actually taking action towards getting those things. It's great to be able to see what your perfect life would look like every day, but make sure that you're also working towards attaining them. Be inspired. I'm not saying don't be inspired. It's great to be inspired. It's great to have this big, massive vision board, but it amounts to nothing if you're actually not working towards it. So make sure that you're doing both. Make sure that you're creating your vision board, but you're also putting all the steps that you need to be able to get to that dream life. Okay, don't just settle for your life being on the vision board, because you can actually have it in real life. And after all, this channel is all about growing, developing and becoming the best versions of ourselves, whatever that may look like. Whatever your vision board might absolutely look different to someone next to you, just as long as that's what you want for yourself, that's what you're hoping to achieve, and you're also putting all these wheels in motion to be able to get what you want, and that you're not just sitting on your vision board every single day. Thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what's on your vision board and how you're working towards attaining what's on your vision board, and I'll see you in my next one.